Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. In today's video I will be discussing how to apply matrix operations in Excel. So we will be discussing few concepts here like matrix addition, matrix subtraction, determinant of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, and thereafter matrix multiplication and transpose of a matrix. So I will be just taking a new sheet here. So firstly I will be discussing here matrix addition. So let me little bit reformat it. It is like Times New Roman and the font size is this. No, it's fine. So firstly I will be entering here matrix A. Suppose that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I will be entering here matrix B, that is if I am saying 2, 3 and here it is 4 and 5, right? So this way is to enter the entries in a matrix. So let me merge it, and it is also merge and center, and thereafter we will just little bit format it like this. So these are the two matrices. This is the matrix A, this is the matrix B. Now I want to get here addition. So what is the purpose, I mean to say, how we can perform the addition on these two matrices? So what we have to do, listen carefully here. If I am saying this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix, so its addition is also 2 by 2 matrix. So I will be selecting 2 by 2 range here, okay, and then equal to sign. Then I will be selecting the first matrix entries and then addition, and then second matrix entries, and thereafter we will press here control plus shift plus enter. So you see this type of output will be generated. So I will write here what command I have used here. So in order to generate matrix addition, I have utilized here control plus shift and plus enter, right? And one more thing is here I want to tell, if you will now change any entry in matrix A or matrix B, automatically your output will be changed. Like if I am taking here 2, so output will be changed. If I am taking here suppose 5, so output is changed. So in this way this will work. Now same thing is like if I am applying here matrix subtraction. I am applying here matrix subtraction, right? So matrices I will be taking the same matrices I am taking here, no problem. So I am taking here A and B, same matrices here. So this is the way, let me paste it here. Yes, it is like this one. Now I want to get here subtraction, right? So for that purpose what we can do, we can just select the range here. I am selecting the range here, and then equal to sign and select the entries of matrix A and minus select the entries of matrix B, and then control shift enter. In this way matrix subtraction will be created, right? So this is the way to perform matrix subtraction. Now similarly I want to perform here operation on the matrix determinant, okay. If I want to get what is the determinant of any matrix, so suppose the matrix is like this, suppose this matrix determinant I want to know. So I am just taking the same matrix and bold it is. Now I want to get the determinant of a matrix. Determinant is a number, so there is no need to select the range, right? So what we can do now, I will just write here equal to m and mdeterm, this particular command I am taking, and just select the array and then just bracket close and just enter here, and we know this is the right output, like because the determinant of this particular matrix is just like it is 8 minus 10, that is minus 2. It is like this one. Now thereafter let me check what else things are left. So matrix addition is done, subtraction is done, determinant is done. Now next is inverse of a matrix, right? So for that purpose I want to take matrix inverse, right? I want to take matrix inverse. Which matrix I want to take here? I want to take the same matrix. This is a matrix here, and I want to get the inverse of this matrix will be created, will be generated, will exist, because determinant is non-zero. So what we can do here, I will be performing. Acha, inverse is one more thing. Inverse is, I will say, uh, output is 2 by 2 matrix. So inverse of matrix A. Inverse of matrix A will be like this. Let me select the range here. Let me select the range here, and let me select the range here. It is like this one. Merge and center, yes. So range is there. Now equal to m inverse, if I'm right, this is the thing, m inverse, and select the range and bracket close, and whenever we want to generate the matrix we have to use control shift enter. So you see this type of inverse will be generated. You can later on verify this also, that this is the right or wrong, but in my opinion this is totally correct. Okay, and by pen and paper also, on pen and paper also you can verify it, okay, in the traditional way. So this was all about matrix addition, subtraction, determinant, inverse. Okay, one more thing is left, I think. So the next thing is like, two more things are left. Next thing is matrix multiplication. For matrix multiplication, what I have to perform, I'm taking here, it is like matrix multiplication, and I'm taking the same matrices here. Right? So let me just paste the same matrices here, and it is like multiplication here means that is the matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication of two matrices is also a matrix. So firstly I will be selecting the range and equal to sign, and then m multiple multinomial, I think so. Let me check this command. I have already performed it. So if I am taking multiplication command here, yes, it is equal to m it is like this one. Let me check again here. It is range I have selected equal to m, but yeah, this is the command. And multiplication of what? Multiplication of matrix A and comma matrix B. Okay, and this range I have just provided here, and then control shift enter. So this is a matrix multiplication. And thereafter one more thing is left here, that is transpose of a matrix. And I'm taking here matrix, that is this matrix A, its transpose I want to take here. So what will be the transpose of matrix A? So it will be like, if I'm saying, I think it will be having a different command. Let me check in the sheet. So transpose of a matrix, its command is, yes, just simple transpose. So in this one, what I will be, transpose of a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix is also a matrix. So equal, first of all we will be selecting the range here, and then equal to tra transpose, this command I will be taking. Transpose of what? Transpose of this matrix, and I want to generate the matrix, so control shift enter. So you see transpose of 2254 is 2254 in this way. Okay, so this first row became the first column, and this second row became the second column. So in such a way the transpose of a matrix is also done. So I hope, students, that this particular today's video was quite interesting for all of us. In this particular video we learned that how to perform matrix addition, matrix subtraction, matrix determinant, okay, and matrix inverse, matrix multiplication, and transpose of a matrix in Excel. So I hope this will be quite useful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video.